Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add Spotify to Notion, so let's get right into it. Now, Spotify, I don't have to explain what that is. It is the most famous music streaming service in the world, and Notion is basically a journaling application which can help you with making a timetable. It can help you make a calendar and make sure you have all your appointments checked and that you have everything written down, and you can use it as a journal. You can use it for a variety of things, but what you can do as well is embed a Spotify playlist to Notion, so I'll be showing you how to do this using this super.so article, which I do recommend you check out if you have any other questions. Now, what you need to do first is go to Spotify, of course, and find the playlist you want to embed, and then grab the embedded URL. What you need to do is hover over the share button, click on the embedded playlist option, and if you're on mobile, you just need to click the three dots, then click share, and then copy Spotify URL, and the URL will be copied to your clipboard. Then you need to set up the look and feel of the embedded widget. You just need to go to Notion and set up an embedded playlist, and from there you just need to add an embedded whatever. Just embed the playlist by using the link, and it should look something like this, and you just need to make sure that everything looks just fine. Now, as I've said, you need to add it into Notion. You just need to go to your Notion page. You can use the app or you can use the website, whichever you would like, and you just need to click on the place where you want to embed the content and type /embed and press enter, and this will create an embedded block in your Notion page where you just need to paste the embedded link, and that should be pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.